Hello, besties. It's the TNT topic again with a maths video. Today we're going to look at algebra and I'm going to make this thing simple. I promise, I'm going to make it simple. So stay tuned and let's just get right into it. So what you need to know at the end of this video is to be able to convert from this thing, I don't know what to call it, to this kind of thing. So I'm going to make it simple by giving you guys simple tips or simple steps. Okay, so what you need to know is that, let me just copy it again. This is a cube root of a squared, and it is said that it's equals to a exponent 2 over 3. So why am I saying that it is equals to this? Let's just do it together. Okay, so what you need to know is that you're going to take your base is a, and you're going to copy it. So let's just copy it. It's a, and then after that you're going to take its exponent, which is 2, and copy it. You copy the exponent, you're done. And then after that you're going to write the division line, and then you're going to copy this number, which is actually the root. This is a cube root, and remember, a cube root, let me just write it down. A cube root is characterized by 3, and a square root is characterized by 2. So that means that every time you see a square root is 2, and every time you see a cube root is 3. So that means that I just write 3, and it's simple as that. So let's just do another example whereby we have a square root. So it's a square root of x to the exponent 4. So what you're going to do is just say it's equals to, I'm going to copy my base. I'm going to take Mr. Base to this side, which is x, and then after that I'm going to copy its exponent, which is 4. I'm going to write it as 4, and then I'm going to write my division line. Simple as that. Just a division line. And remember, here we don't write this little 2, but it is there. That is the beauty, or that is the magic of mathematics. It's there, but you can't see it. You just have to see it with that mathematical eye, So that means that I'm going to divide it by 2, which is equals to x squared. Simple as that. Guys, I love this part. And let me just do, I promise this is the last class. This is the last one. So let's just do this one. No, actually, let's just move from here, and let's move from here and take it back to this part. Okay, so for example, let's say I have 8 2 over 3. Yeah, 8 2 over 3, and you need to write it in a form of like a root sign. It having a root sign, so it must have a root sign. So you're gonna say, okay, it's equals to. So remember, I told you that this 3, remember when we took this 3 here, this 3 represented what? A root. So that means that it is it's a cube root, obviously. So this 3 just illustrate that we're going to have a cube root. So I'm just gonna write my cube root, and that's a cube root. And then after that, remember the base we need to take here. We need to transport our base, and our base is 8. And then after that, its exponent is 2. It is 2. I just write it there. So it is simple as that, guys. Remember the denominator. So this is really important. The denominator, is it M-E or M-I? Denominator. The denominator, it represents the root sign. So that's all that you need to know. And then, okay, let me just add this one too. And also, let me just write it here. The numerator is going to represent the exponent. Hey guys, why did I write number? The numerator, is it me, or there is also someone else who can't write and also speak at the same time? Numerator represents the exponent. So guys, I hope you all were able to master this part, because it is so simple in such a way that you can just play with it. Exponent. Okay, so this is what I wanted you guys to know at the end of today's lesson, is being able to convert from the one with a root to a one without a root, and also vice versa. So with all that being said, bye guys, see you guys on my next video.